Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the rinse aid reminder in the ELECTROLUX Dishwasher MaxiFlex. So, in the first step you have to hold the quick and echo button together for 3 seconds to open the user's menu. Now jump to the second bar by the echo button. As you can see, now we are in the second position. There's a second option to edit. There's an end of the sound of the end of the cycle. So if you want to now manage this function, click on the middle slider on the mine time, and now you can switch it off or switch it on by the echo or quick button. To save the settings, hold the quick and echo button again for 3 seconds. Okay, I don't know how this now works, but you can also just turn off your device, and if you open the user's menu again, your change should be saved. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.